The thing answering your questions, writing your emails, and generating your code has absolutely no idea what it is saying. It doesn't know you, it doesn't know itself, and despite how stunningly human it feels when you chat with it, there's nobody home. When we interact with artificial intelligence today, our human brains immediately project a mind onto it, right? I mean, we assume that because it speaks to us with such logic and nuance, it must possess some kind of inner monologue. We assume it holds beliefs, that it grasps complex concepts, and that it actually understands the world. But the shocking reality is that the machine is entirely hollow. It has no mind. It's doing something far stranger and honestly far simpler. And once you understand what is actually happening behind that screen, you will never look at AI the same way again.
Okay, let's dive right into this big misunderstanding.
So, on one side, you have our assumption. We picture a brain in there, thinking, knowing facts, forming opinions. We ask it a question, and we assume it searches its mind for the truth before speaking to us. But the other side, that shows the raw mechanical reality. It is just predicting the next word over and over, incredibly fast. That's it. That is the core secret. Everything you have ever seen an AI do, every poem, every brilliant block of code, every medical diagnosis, is built entirely on top of that one single loop.
It's essentially autocomplete on steroids.
To truly grasp this, think about the keyboard on your smartphone. You type, "I'm going to the," and your phone suggests store or park. Modern AI is that exact same idea, just scaled up to a mind-bending degree. When you type a prompt, it runs through a very simple loop. It analyzes your text and asks one singular mathematical question. Based on absolutely everything I have ever seen, what word most likely comes next? It adds that one word, then it asks the question again and again. It doesn't plan out a whole paragraph in advance, it just blindly walks forward, laying down the tracks one single word at a time, out of nothing but pure probabilities.
And it pulls this off using billions of tiny dials.
Now, you might be wondering, how on earth did it get so good at predicting that next word? Well, by consuming unimaginable chunks of the internet. But here's the catch. It did not memorize it. It isn't just a giant hard drive full of Wikipedia articles. Instead, as it read through millions of books and conversations, it was learning patterns. It learned which words tend to follow which words. It built this giant internal map of how human language fits together, storing only the mathematical patterns of human thought, not the actual text itself. Because computers obviously don't understand English, the AI translates our words into numbers, creating this vast multidimensional spatial map. And without ever being taught actual definitions, it groups concepts together just based on how humans use them. For example, king and queen sit mathematically very close together in this number space. Meanwhile, over in a completely different neighborhood, dog and puppy share a close mathematical bond. It grasps these deep relationships purely through math.
And this brilliantly illustrates just how staggering this system is. Inside the AI are billions and sometimes trillions of tiny numbers called weights. Picture them as billions of tiny dials. During its training phase, the AI constantly guessed the next word. When it guessed wrong, it nudged those dials just a tiny bit. Guess, check, nudge. It did this trillions of times until those billions of dials settled into a perfect configuration that produces shockingly good language. Nobody programmed the answers. The machine just learned to arrange its own mind.
But none of this would work without the attention trick.
See, for a long time, this word-guessing game was just kind of a parlor trick. The AI would lose track of what it was saying after just a few sentences. That all changed with a breakthrough mechanism called attention. Before this, AI treated every single word equally, which made it terrible at understanding context. Attention gave the AI the mechanical ability to actually focus. As it reads your sentence, it calculates mathematical weights to determine which earlier words matter the absolute most for predicting the very next one.
Let's look at a really concrete example to make this click. Take the sentence, "The cat sat on the mat because it was tired." For us humans, it's totally obvious that the word "it" refers to the cat, not the mat. Mats don't get tired, right? But for a computer, that is incredibly difficult context to parse. The attention mechanism solves this by creating a mathematical line drawn directly from the word "it" back to "the cat." It weighs the relationships between words across the entire sentence, allowing the AI to keep perfect track of the context. This specific ability to focus is literally what elevated AI from a weird novelty to the global revolution we see today.
Which brings us to a major flaw. It can be confidently wrong. So we now have a machine with billions of perfectly tuned dials, using this brilliant attention trick, all just to guess the next word. But this predictive system has a massive fundamental flaw. If you've used AI for more than 5 minutes, you've probably seen it confidently state a fact that is completely undeniably made up. We call them hallucinations. It genuinely feels like the AI is lying to us. So, why does it do that? Let's solve this mystery.
Here is the part nobody expects. To the AI, there is absolutely no difference between a profound truth and a total lie. It doesn't look up facts in some hidden database. When it gives you a perfectly factual answer, it is simply generating a highly probable sequence of words that just happens to map to human reality. But when it gives you a hallucination, it is doing the exact same thing. It's generating a highly probable sequence of words that sounds perfectly plausible. It just happens to be completely false in the real world.
So it isn't lying to you. Because if you think about it, lying requires an intent to deceive, and it requires actually knowing what the truth is. The AI is just doing math. It's just following the patterns of its billions of dials to spit out the most likely sounding next word. And sometimes, the most grammatically plausible sounding sequence of words just isn't the true one. Because it has absolutely no concept of truth, it will deliver a total fabrication with the exact same unshakable confidence as a proven scientific fact.
So, what is the lingering reality of all this?
Well, we kind of have to reframe everything we think we know about this technology. When you close that chat window, the AI retains no memory of you. It's entirely stateless. It has no personal goals, no deeply held beliefs, and absolutely no inner experience. It isn't a brain in a jar. It is pure, unadulterated pattern prediction. It's an intricate web of math, turning your words into numbers, focusing on what matters, and guessing what comes next. And yet, this cold mechanical process can explain quantum physics to you, or write a whole software program, or hold a conversation that makes you feel completely understood.
And that right there might be the most profound realization of all. Something with no understanding can still be incredibly useful, just by predicting what comes next. It forces us to sit back and ask a deeply uncomfortable question. If a hollow machine can perfectly mimic human intellect just by guessing the next word, how much of what we do every single day is really just the exact same thing?